Background and history. Soviet legacy. The dissolution of the Soviet Union led to the Nagorno-Karabakh conflict, as arbitrary border decisions left the region with unresolved territorial disputes. Historical context. Nagorno-Karabakh has deep historical ties to both Armenia and Azerbaijan, dating back centuries, with each side viewing it as an integral part of their heritage. First Nagorno-Karabakh War. The First Nagorno-Karabakh War from 1988 to 1994 resulted in significant casualties and displacement and solidified the conflict status as a long-standing dispute. Territorial claims. Armenian majority. Nagorno-Karabakh's Armenian majority population plays a critical role in the territorial dispute, as it seeks self-determination and closer ties to Armenia. Azerbaijani sovereignty. Azerbaijan claims Nagorno-Karabakh based on international borders recognized before the Soviet era, asserting its right to regain control of the region. Key players. Armenia. Armenia's support for the self-declared Republic of Artsakh in Nagorno-Karabakh has had a significant impact on the conflict, including providing military assistance. Azerbaijan. Azerbaijan's determination to reclaim Nagorno-Karabakh and restore its sovereignty over the region remains a central factor in the ongoing dispute. International recognition. Unrecognized republic. Despite de facto control over Nagorno-Karabakh, the international community does not recognize the Republic of Artsakh as an independent state, complicating the conflict. Minsk Group. The OSCE Minsk Group, county chaired by Russia, France, and the United States, has played a crucial role in mediating the conflict, but a lasting solution remains elusive. Current status. Second Nagorno-Karabakh War. The Second Nagorno-Karabakh War in 2020 resulted in significant territorial changes, further complicating the situation and altering the conflict's dynamics. Humanitarian crisis. The conflict has led to a humanitarian crisis, with displacement, casualties, and the destruction of infrastructure taking a toll on the region's population. Conflict resolution efforts. Ceasefire agreements. Numerous ceasefire agreements have been brokered over the years but have often been violated, highlighting the challenges of maintaining peace in the region. Peace negotiations. Diplomatic negotiations aimed at finding a lasting solution to the conflict face obstacles, including deep-seated mistrust between the parties. Geopolitical implications. Regional powers. The involvement of regional powers like Russia, Turkey, and Iran in the Nagorno-Karabakh conflict adds complexity and shapes the broader geopolitical landscape of the South Caucasus. Energy resources. The region's proximity to key energy pipelines heightens the conflict's economic dimension, as control over Nagorno-Karabakh can influence energy flows. Legal framework. 1. International law. The Nagorno-Karabakh conflict raises questions about the application of international legal principles, such as territorial integrity and self-determination. Potential solutions. Autonomy versus independence. Exploring potential solutions, including granting Nagorno-Karabakh autonomy within Azerbaijan or considering its independence, involves complex negotiations. Peacekeeping forces. The presence of international peacekeeping forces may be necessary to maintain stability, foster trust building, and monitor ceasefire agreements. Media and public perception. 1. Media bias. Media plays a significant role in shaping public perception of the conflict, and impartial reporting can be challenging, further complicating efforts to find common ground. Future outlook. 1. Prospects for peace. The future of Nagorno-Karabakh remains uncertain, with prospects for a peaceful resolution hinging on diplomatic efforts and the willingness of all parties to compromise, impacting the stability of the South Caucasus region.